How to redeem codes in Capybara Go. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open the Capybara Go application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, all you have to do is simply log in onto your account. So once you're logged into your account, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, and just like so, inside your profile section, you'll see your user ID. So you want to go ahead and copy the user ID, and once the user ID has been copied, head back to your home screen and then open a new browser. Once you open the new browser, inside here, you want to go ahead and search for gift.capybarago.io. Once you search for it, this page is gonna open up. So inside the game ID, you want to go ahead and paste your user ID that you have just copied, and then you want to go ahead and enter the reward code right over here, and inside verification code, you want to go ahead and type this number. Once done, tap on redeem, and just like so, you'll then be able to redeem codes in Capybara Go. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.